Hello, everybody. I know long time no see. The very first question of mine would be कैसे हैं आप सब? I know जैसा भी पेपर गया होगा जिसका अच्छा जिसका नहीं अच्छा. There's this feeling of emptiness, like the body and the mind is not ready to accept that it's all over. And so as we. So please drop in comments how are you feeling and how are you coping with those feelings because I don't know how to. Like actually I've got into a post need slump which I will need to get out of it. So today's video is totally based on the things कि मैंने अपने drop year में क्या गलतियां की जो I wouldn't want you to do to score really well. Like this video, do not watch it if you want another drop year. Simple as that. If you even follow 50% of this and avoid these mistakes, you'll just get in and need itna mushkil nahi hai. It's just it requires discipline, hard work, motivation. Honestly, the one thing I actually love doing that's making videos, वो भी like मुश्किल हो गया है इस point पे because this exam drains you mentally, physically, emotionally. Nothing's left. But still I wanted because बहुत सारे लोग ये year शुरू कर रहे हैं like 11th 12th droppers do not want you to like repeat the same mistakes I did because मुझे लगता है जो इंसान जीती हुई बाजी हारता है ना वो आपको बेटर बता पाता है कि क्या नहीं करना चाहिए था. People who win they will tell you क्या करना चाहिए था but listen to those who lost because they will tell you क्या नहीं करना चाहिए था. तो मैं पूरा ऐसा नोट्स बना के लाई हूँ जो मेरी आदत है नोट्स बनाते रहने की. सो आई विल टेल यू 10 पॉइंट्स, ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. राइट देम समवेयर राइट नाउ क्योंकि आप भूल जाओगे फिर इसको एंड देन यू विल रिपीट देम अगैन एंड अगैन. द वेरी फर्स्ट इज लाइंग टू योर सेल्फ. टेल मी 10 घंटे की पढ़ाई में जिसमें आप 8 घंटे लेक्चर्स ही देखते हो उसके भी बीच में कितनी बार आप फ़ोन चलाते हो. फ़ोन चलाया, पानी पिया, बाहर गए, वॉशरूम ब्रेक लंबा ले लिया. इज देयर अ टाइम वेर यू जस्ट सिट एंड स्टडी? No, you lie to yourself. All those 4 hours, 5 hours, they just lie. They're just passive lecture dekhna, nothing else. Make sure to not do it. If you're studying, study honestly. Biggest mistake you do, close your phone, keep it aside. बाहर रख दो रूम के, कबर्ड के अंदर रख दो. ये वीडियो थोड़ी लंबी हो सकती है बट ये जेन्युइनली आपको बहुत हेल्प करेगी. सेकंड mistake is resource overloading. Okay, I tell you one thing. 4 की फिजिक्स की किताबें आपके नंबर नहीं बढ़ाएंगी. एक फिजिक्स की किताब के 10 सवाल अगर आप 40 बार लगाएंगे वो आपके नंबर बढ़ाएगी. स्टॉप डूइंग इट. द प्रॉब्लम इज you do not need many resources. You need one that you master. Now, be it your DPPs, be it your mock test के questions, be it your teacher के class वाले questions, इतने तो नंबर चाहिए भी नहीं होते फिजिक्स में. And honestly, I've written everything so that I do not miss anything. Stop rewriting your notes again and again. सुंदर कॉपियों से कुछ नहीं होता है. यहाँ जाना चाहिए. That's it. Next is avoiding mock test. This is the mistake I have done personally. Like I regret it so bad. मुझे मॉक देने से डर लगता है बिकॉज उसमें मेरी रियलिटी पता चल जाती है. सिलेबस कंप्लीट नहीं होता, मैं रेडी नहीं हूँ. मुझे एंड तक रियलाइज हुआ नीट से पहले भी मेरा सिलेबस कंप्लीट नहीं था. I wasn't feeling ready, but I still went and attempted the paper because it was necessary to attempt the paper. So why don't we do that to mocks? That it is necessary to attend the paper. I wish अगर मैंने 4 मॉक लगाए होते ना, the paper was legit something that could be cracked. And that is the most guilt I will carry throughout my life. That I could have done this if these mistakes were avoided. Another blunder we all do is studying without revision. My second big mistake. मैंने बहुत पढ़ा था, but at the end I couldn't gather it all. I knew questions like in the paper I could see those questions. मुझे याद है कि वो किस पेज पे कहाँ लिखे हैं, but I couldn't just gather the information and because मैंने रिवाइज नहीं किया. रिविजन का टाइम नहीं आता है, रिविजन साथ में होता है. और एक और चीज़, कंप्लीट योर सिलेबस अर्ली. टीचर के 10 कदम आगे चलो, स्पेशली ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स. डू 2 चैप्टर्स इन प्रायर. You'll get more time to revise and maintain your momentum. Next, depending on motivation. इसको मैंने एंड आते तक ठीक कर लिया था. आज मन नहीं है नहीं पढ़ेंगे, कल मन है पढ़ेंगे, एक दिन 12 घंटे पढ़ेंगे, दूसरे दिन 2 घंटे पढ़ेंगे. नो डिसिप्लिन. This exam actually is very easy, but it demands discipline, focus, concentration. If you give it that, you'll crack it. Biggest blunder. आज बहुत पढ़ लिया, कल बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ा. आज 14 घंटे पढ़ा, 4 दिन क्रैश आउट हो गए, कुछ नहीं पढ़ा. Trust me, 7 to 8 hours every day is more necessary than studying 16 hours one day and studying nothing for 4 days. You cannot get an external motivation. I'll tell you one quote that I very much relate is motivation doesn't come empty. You work, you get motivated, then you work again. Again, you work, you get motivated, you work again. It will never be you get motivated, then you work, then you get it what I mean? That's important. For this, I have built a system which actually benefits me nothing, I'll tell you. It only benefits me as giving me a little dopamine rush that I get so many beautiful messages of you guys like, oh my god, to realize that you're so much loved is the greatest emotion of all. So, for this, what I've done is I have gathered students which we decide targets together. It's just like a study group, it's just like a classroom. And इसका guarantee नहीं है that you'll study, but इसका ये ज़रूर guarantee होता है. You just sit with your peers, share what you feel. I've built a system around people and they legit trust it because it helped them. Like people who were scoring 50, 60, 70, एक हफ्ते में they are scoring around 300 plus. So that's I think quite cool. And numbers तो ज़्यादा matter मुझे करे नहीं, कभी ना करेंगे. But the thing is, I listen to everybody. I listen, we talk, we share, we debate, we laugh, we listen to songs. Shout out to few of the people who sing very well, who talk very well. So it's just a little community of ours. You can join it. I'll drop my Telegram link below. And once we start, I'll let you know about it. By the way, also, I am trying to build a community where just studies, मुझे लगता है पढ़ाई और मेंटल हेल्थ और फिजिकल हेल्थ सब साथ में चलता है तो बहुत परफेक्टली चलता है. गुड फॉर देम जो एक सेक्टर को बहुत अच्छा कर लेते हैं. आई एम नॉट वन ऑफ देम. सो आई एम ऑल्सो building a space where we have all of these together. And trust me, I'm charging you nothing for it. Please do not think that I am doing it for money. No. So soon I'll be hosting a counselor session. I am inviting a psychologist to our sessions so that he can help you out with things that you're feeling, that you're facing, that I cannot help. I'm not a expert. So moving on from this, let's come to the mistake. So if you're interested, do let me know. Do join my Telegram. I will inform you about it. अगर आपको Telegram join नहीं करना है, आप मेरे community post check करते रहिएगा. The session will be held very soon and it will genuinely help you all move forward because it helped me move forward. So anything that helps me, I tell you, it helps you. You tell me, it's a beautiful loop, better than the neat one. Next is watching lectures passively. Oh my god, such a blunder. आज 10 घंटे पढ़ा, 10 में से 10 घंटे लेक्चर देखे. ट्रस्ट मी, नो फायदा. मैंने एक एक चैप्टर के पता नहीं कितने लेक्चर्स देखे हैं, इतने नोट्स बनाए हैं. बट वेन यू डू नॉट रिवाइज योर नोट्स, वेन यू डू नॉट स्टडी, इट्स नो यूज. आप 2 घंटे ही लेक्चर देखो, 6 घंटे ही पढ़ो, बट वो 4 घंटे क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करो बिकॉज क्वेश्चन कम्स. लेक्चर नहीं आते हैं. एक वन शॉट का लेक्चर 8 घंटे का विल गिव यू इक्वल yield देन 40 hours का लेक्चर. But 4 revisions will not give you equal yield of one lecture. Revision will make it better, and revision also active recall wala revision. Next, thinking I still have time. Trust me, ऐसे बीतती हैं चीजें. I do not know where my year slipped. I thought I have like lots and lots of time. बस बीत गया. बीत जाएगा, ये समय भी बीत जाएगा. Do not kill time. Do not kill your career and your future. I will never say NEET is the end of the world. But अगर आप मेहनत नहीं करोगे, it is the end of the world. You'll have to work hard here or there. Very necessary. That I've learned hard way. But ठीक है. Destroying your health is also one of the reason. I will tell you, I've genuinely mentored. I won't say mentored, but I've stayed with few kids in the last week. People my age, younger than me, older than me. There were two kids. Two of them very much fresher, all prepared, more prepared than all of us altogether, panicked at the last resort, not sleeping for the whole week, sleeping 4 to 2 hours, ruined the exam. The kid that had the potential to score like 650, 660 is scoring something around 500, 520, and she'll not get the selection, obviously. Trust me. Gym won't waste your time. Running won't waste your time. Sleeping won't waste your time. You sitting and thinking about it will waste your time. 24 घंटे में से अगर आपने 2 घंटे कहीं स्पेंड कर दिए, दैट विल नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम. More time will be wasted in scrolling, thinking, overthinking, passively studying, not studying, this, that. Trust me, start doing a physical activity. Your studies will improve drastically. You'll improve your mental power. About this, I will talk later in some of the videos, but let me stick to the topic, which I do not. Next is, this year actually will not test your intelligence. It will test your patience, determination, perseverance, your ability to work hard, even in situations you don't want to. Because most of the लोगों का ये drop year होगा. You'll just want to give up. You don't know, the future is so uncertain. You don't know what will happen. But trust me, करके देखो. Either of the two outcomes will come, yes or no. But at least you'll not have the guilt. And read this again and again. I will make sure to come up and make sure कि आप लोग ये गलतियां ना repeat करो. But make sure you also follow it. Yes. As I said, do not leave the lecture कि हम कल देखेंगे, आज नहीं देख रहे हैं, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. No, no, कोई बात नहीं. वो lecture रह जाएगा. वो करोगे, कल वाला रह जाएगा, कल वाला करोगे, परसों वाला रह जाएगा. The loop continues. इस सब में फंस के ही we just ignore stuff and then things slip out of our hands. And that's why I wanted to just write everything and come up with a video. One more mistake we do is कोई भी चीज़ को ढंग से नहीं देखना. Like we are seeing a lecture, उसमें से एक point miss हो गया हमारा, हमको समझ नहीं आया, we ignore it. Such a blunder. नहीं समझ में आ रहा, पीछे जाके देखो. नहीं समझ में आ रहा, दूसरा वीडियो देखो. Make sure you understand the topic very 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 well. Because वो छूटा हुआ टॉपिक वही एग्जाम में आता है. The only question I did not study that comes in the exam for sure. Because जब हम पढ़ते रहते हैं बहुत टाइम के लिए, the brain becomes so fog, मतलब ऐसा पूरा brain fog हो जाता है that sometimes you do not even understand. You're seeing it passively, you don't know what's happening. Do not do that. Next, do not let your body think that you can do it later. Give your body, if you know, even your body works on the injection या vaccine ka parameter, it is the same, that you need to give it proof once and then it will follow through. If you allow your body कि नहीं कल कर लेंगे, वो आपको हमेशा कल ही करने को बोलेगी और वो कल कभी नहीं आएगा. So make sure to tell it, no matter what, right now is the time, I will do it right now and do it right now. शायद जैसे मैंने आखिरी के मंथ में पढ़ाई की है, with all the people around me and like all of you together, that was such a brilliant way of studying. If I study full year like that will create some big impact, definitely. So ये चीज़ें मैंने उस टाइम से सीखी हैं. You can change your mind, you can carve your mind, you can make it sit and study without distraction. That's just your wish actually. Next, cut out all of your distraction. If you think you can control Instagram, good for you, control it. मुझे नहीं लगता था, मैंने हटा दिया था. आखिरी के 2 महीने में मैंने हटा दिया था जब मैंने प्रिपरेशन की थी. और मुझे लगता है मेरी प्रोडक्टिविटी उससे क्रेजी बढ़ी थी. लाइक क्रेजी. No good words. Crazy बढ़ी थी. Because YouTube Shorts is not someone that you can scroll a lot. So that's one thing. And cut out all the sorts of distraction. Now you'll come at me like, what are you doing? This is not a distraction for me. Trust me, this builds me. And होगा distraction तो वो भी जाएगा. Nothing above the dream. Totally. I'm helping everybody as much as I can. I'm helping myself as much as I can. Totally. Next, never leave the tests. Never leave the mock tests. Never leave the class. Never leave the DPPs. नींद थोड़ी कम आएगी आज, कोई बात नहीं, कल बॉडी डर के वो काम पहले करेगी. I know different statements, take care of your health. This is different. See, if you have, हिंदी में बोला जाए तो मक्कारी की है दिन भर तो झेलना तो पड़ेगा. पर वो अब आप अगले दिन कम सो के उसका हर्जाना भरेंगे, but also do not do it on a repetitive manner. There are two types of kids: who study a lot, who do not study. Who studies a lot does that वाला ब्लंडर कि हेल्थ बिगाड़ लेंगे नहीं सो के, जो नहीं पढ़ते हैं वो ये वाला ब्लंडर करते हैं कि हम कल करेंगे. तो इट्स डिफरेंट बेसिस. डू नॉट लेट योर सेल्फ हैव बैकलॉग्स. कभी नहीं कवर होगा वो एंड तक भी रह जाएगा. जो चैप्टर्स मैंने नहीं पढ़े थे वो मैंने नहीं ही पढ़े, वो रह गए. This was all right now I could gather from my experience, from some of my friends or people who are with me, उनके experiences से. Hopefully आप इनको repeat ना करें. And for me to not repeat it again, I have built a system of some of the students who we together legitimately help each other. We do these sessions on Google Meet. We only have the limit of 100 people. So make sure to be the first 100, or else I will also put the recordings on my YouTube channel to help those as much as possible. And do let me know in the comments of how can I help you with my experiences, with my things, what I have learned, what you have learned. Tell me the mistakes you think you made that I shouldn't follow, and the relation we have will continue as long as it can. I help you, you help me, we build a community. I'm just a medium. You all are my power. Trust me, people who have been following me from before knows this, that we together improved so much more than we alone ever could have. So thank you for staying with me, sticking with me. And this neat slump, हम इससे निकल जाएंगे जल्दी. I'm trying to get a video, or also some people from different fields, to know that life is great beyond MBBS, great beyond NEET. There are so many fields you can explore, and I'm getting best of people from all the fields coming in, taking sessions, which will be happening in the next 15 days on my channel. But these will be meet sessions, because meet sessions बहुत one to one होते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेक्टिव होते हैं. तो लाइव कैन गेट मी व्यूज़, बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक हो जाएगा चैनल पे, व्यूज़ आ जाएंगे. But meet is something very close to my heart, because you get to speak, I get to listen to you. So ये meet पे होंगे. I'll try to record it and put here. But yeah, stick together and we'll build something really meaningful. So that was it for this video. थोड़ी लंबी हो गई. Hopefully आपको help करेगी. आप मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा आपको कैसे help किया. And I hope you all are fine, because I was not, and I think I'm still. थोड़ी लंबी हो गई video. But thank you for sticking through and being here, and I hope I could bring a impact in your life, maybe a little. Thank you so much for being there, and see you next time. Bye.